In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a chat in ChatGPT. Sharing a conversation can be a quick way to show someone exactly what you asked and the response you received, whether you're collaborating with a teammate, getting feedback, or saving a helpful thread for later. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to look for and what each sharing option does. First, look to the left sidebar in ChatGPT. This is where your recent conversations are listed, each with a title. Scroll if you need to, and locate the conversation you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, especially if you have several similar chats. When you found it, move your mouse over that conversation in the list. Hovering over it will reveal additional controls, so you can take action on that specific chat. Next, click the three-dot icon that appears next to the conversation title. This small menu icon opens up options related to that chat. From the menu that appears, select Share. Choosing Share brings up the available ways to distribute your conversation so others can view it. You'll see a few straightforward options here. Copy link will create a shareable link and place it on your clipboard. This is the most flexible choice if you want to paste the link into an email, a message, a document, or anywhere else you communicate. You can also choose to share directly on social platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Selecting one of these buttons typically opens a post window for that platform with the link already included, so you can add any brief context before publishing. Pick the method that best matches where your audience is. Before you share, it's a good idea to quickly review the conversation's content to make sure it doesn't include private or sensitive details. Remember, anyone with the link, or anyone who sees your social post, will be able to view what's in that chat. If you're working with colleagues or a community, a clear link and a brief note about what the chat covers can help others understand the context right away. That's all there is to it. Find your conversation in the left sidebar, hover to reveal the menu, click the three dots, choose Share, and then use Copy Link or one of the social options like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Reddit. With just a few clicks, you'll have a clean, shareable version of your chat ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your insights quickly and confidently.